Have you ever encountered a person who's integral and honest? I personally know someone who's been in decades and at the same time now monitor. Since then, I was watching Senator Larry Aquino go up at this week. So at first I wasn't really that much into his platforms and his content, but as they go by, I think that he's he's the perfect candidate for presidency. Thinking that he grew up integral and he grew up with a good family. In personally, I know that being honest is hard, but since Ninoy and Carly they came as a good person, I know in time, and I know with the trust of the people, he would be able to.
Sa picture na ito, ang daming nga
You will
mo.
be able to win that particular position, and in the end, you will follow the footsteps of his father and his mother.